Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find your freelancer on the most easy way. Alright, let's click on the Fiverr application or button, and this is exactly the place where we need to find a freelancer. So first of all, we have here the search for any service, and then we write down script writer and then we search for that. Don't panic when you see the Fiverr Pro, because it's almost the same, but I spent a lot of money on Fiverr, so they gave me that role. But hey, it looks the same for you like this. Alright, now we have a lot of script writers just right here, but if you can see, a lot of them are too expensive. So we have some service options that we want to select. So what we're gonna do now is language. We select English. Server includes not necessary, delivery time up to 3 days. And let's say budget is 10 euros. Then you already see a lot more from our budget. And then what we also can do, we can also click on freelancer level. And then we can do a top rated seller, level 2, level 1 or new seller. Now let's say level 1, because level 1 delivers the most and the best scripts. And then right now we are searching for the highest rated star with a lot of created scripts. So let's see, this one has almost created 200 scripts and has a 4.9. So if we now go to this profile, this is that guy, and we see here the package includes 500 words of script, will be delivered in 1 day. So this sounds very, very, very good. So right now we have here a guy, and we can contact him to ask an example or ask if he can work with us. But this is the best way to find a freelancer or find the best freelancer for the less money for your own IDs. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.